Wall tile grouting secrets, perfect finish for bathroom walls. Welcome to the ultimate guide for achieving a flawless grout finish on your bathroom wall tiles. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional tile installer, mastering the art of grouting is essential to ensure durability, cleanliness, and aesthetic perfection. In this in-depth walkthrough, we'll explore every step of the process, from initial surface preparation to finishing touches, and reveal insider tips that only experienced tilers know. Let's begin. *1. Why grouting matters. Grouting is more than just filling the gaps between your wall tiles. It provides structural stability, prevents water seepage, and enhances the visual appeal of the tiled area. In a humid environment like the bathroom, a proper grout job is your first line of defense against mold and mildew. *2. Preparing the surface before you even think about opening your bag of grout. Preparation is key. Remove tile spacers carefully. Take out any spacers used during tile installation. Clean the joints. Use a vacuum, soft brush, or compressed air to remove all dust, debris, and dried adhesive from between the tiles. Check for consistency. Make sure the tile edges are aligned and the joints are consistent in width. *3. Choosing the right grout. There are different types of grout, each suitable for specific conditions. Unsanded grout, best for narrow joints 1/8 inch or less. Ideal for wall tiles. Sanded grout contains fine sand to prevent cracking in wider joints. Epoxy grout, highly durable, stain resistant, and waterproof, excellent for bathrooms. Color matters too. Lighter grouts highlight the tile pattern, while darker ones can help hide dirt and add contrast. *4. Mixing grout properly. Always follow the manufacturer's instructions. Use a clean mixing bucket. Add grout powder slowly into clean, cold water or additive if required. Mix thoroughly using a margin trowel or mixer until the texture resembles peanut butter, smooth and lump-free. Let the grout slick rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Then remix before use. *5. Applying the grout. Use a rubber grout float held at a 45-degree angle. Press the grout firmly into the joints, moving diagonally across the tiles to ensure deep fill. Work in small sections 2 to 3 square feet at a time to prevent the grout from drying on the tile. Surface. *6. Cleaning excess grout. Wait 10 to 20 minutes after application or is recommended. Use a damp sponge, not dripping wet, to wipe the tile surface in a circular motion. Rinse the sponge frequently with clean water. After the initial wipe, wait another 30 to 60 minutes for the grout to firm up. Then do a second wipe to remove haze. *7. Curing the grout. Grout needs time to fully cure and reach its maximum strength. Avoid exposing the grout to water for at least 24 to 72 hours. Do not apply sealant until the grout has completely cured. Gate. Sealing the grout optional, but recommended. Especially in bathrooms. Sealing the grout provides extra protection against stains and moisture. Choose a penetrating sealer for wall grout. Apply with a small brush or applicator. Wipe away excess sealer from the tile surface immediately. *9. Troubleshooting common issues. Cracking grout. The substrate may be moving, or the grout was mixed to dry. Grout haze. Use a grout haze remover or white vinegar in water solution after 24 hours. Mold or mildew. This indicates poor sealing or ventilation. Always keep your bathroom dry and sealed. Welcome to this comprehensive, step-by-step guide to mastering the art of grouting wall tiles in a bathroom. Whether you're a seasoned tile installer or a DIY enthusiast, this in-depth tutorial will walk you through every critical step needed to achieve a flawless, long-lasting finish when filling the joints between ceramic wall tiles. From preparation to final polishing, every stage is covered in great detail so you can grout like a true professional. Introduction to wall tile grouting. Grouting isn't just about filling spaces. It's the final touch that enhances the overall appearance and structural integrity of your bathroom wall tiling. A well-done grout job seals your tiles from moisture, prevents mold buildup, and adds a polished look to your tile design. Tools and materials you need before starting. We'll go over all the essential tools and materials required. Rubber, grout float sponge, and clean water grout, sanded or unsanded based on tile gap width grout sealer. For protection after drying, bucket and mixing stick thin cloth or microfiber towel. Step 1. Preparing the wall tile surface. Start by making sure the tiles are completely clean and dry. Remove any adhesive, dust, or debris from the tile joints. Use a damp cloth or vacuum if necessary. A clean surface ensures that the grout adheres properly and avoids contamination that could affect the final color or integrity. Step 2. Mixing the grout. Follow the manufacturer's instructions on the grout packaging. Pour the required amount into a clean bucket and add water slowly while mixing until you achieve a peanut butter-like consistency. Allow it to slake for 5 to 10 minutes before giving it a final stir. Proper mixing ensures a smooth, workable grout that won't crumble or crack. Step 3. Applying the grout using a rubber float held at a 45-degree angle. Scoop up some grout and press it firmly into the joints. Work in a diagonal motion across the tiles, ensuring the grout is packed tightly with no air bubbles. Don't worry if some excess grout gets on the tile surface while cleaning in the next steps. Step 4. Removing excess grout. Wait about 10 to 15 minutes after application. Using a damp sponge, gently wipe the tile surface in a circular motion. Rinse the sponge frequently in clean water. Do not press too hard. The goal is to clean the tile surface without pulling grout from the joints. Step 5. Final cleaning and buffing. Once the grout has set for about 1 to 2 hours, use a clean microfiber cloth or dry towel to buff away the haze left on the tiles. If necessary, a second damp wipe can help remove stubborn residue. The goal is to leave your tiles sparkling clean and your grout lines sharp and defined. Step 6. Sealing the grout after 24 to 72 hours of drying time depending on the grout used. Apply a grout sealer to protect your work. Use a brush tip, bottle, or roller for precision. Allow the sealer to penetrate, then wipe off any excess. Sealing is essential for areas exposed to water and steam like bathrooms, as it extends the life of the grout and prevents discoloration. Troubleshooting common grouting problems. Cracking grout, usually caused by too much water in the mix or improper curing. Always follow proper mixing ratios and drying times. Grout falling out happens when joints aren't filled completely or the grout wasn't pressed in firmly. Uneven color could result from inconsistent water use during mixing or cleaning. Try to use the same water amount and techniques throughout. Mold or mildew. This typically occurs when grout isn't sealed or maintained properly. Regular cleaning and sealing are essential. Pro tips for a flawless grout finish. Always test grout color on a small hidden area before full application. Don't rush. Proper timing between each step is key. Keep all tools clean to avoid contamination. Use painter's tape to protect edges or fixtures if needed. Maintenance and cleaning. Maintaining your wall grout is as important as installing it. Clean it regularly with a non-abrasive cleaner and inspect for cracks or wear. Reseal once a year if in a high moisture environment. This full guide ensures your bathroom wall tiles not only look beautiful, but also last for years. Don't forget to check out our other videos for tips on tile cutting, spacing, and waterproofing your bathroom walls professionally. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to Ighoud Ceramic Tiles on YouTube for more expert level installation tips and techniques. Your support helps us continue to create high quality educational content for tile professionals and enthusiasts worldwide. Continuing from the previous detailed instructions, let's dive deeper into the advanced steps, pro techniques, and critical tips for achieving a stunning grout finish on your bathroom wall tiles. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional tiler, this part will elevate your grouting skills to the next level. Step 8. Grouting around fixtures and edges. Grouting around bathroom fixtures such as faucets, soap holders, electrical outlets, or the transition between tile and painted wall requires extra attention and precision. Use a smaller grout float or even a rubber spatula to press grout into tight spaces. Wipe any excess immediately to prevent staining. Pro tip: use masking tape on non-tile surfaces near edges to prevent grout smudges. Step 9. Smoothing and tooling the grout lines. Once the grout is applied and slightly set after about 10 to 15 minutes, use a damp sponge to gently smooth the grout lines. Don't press too hard. You don't want to pull grout out of the joints. Keep cleaning the sponge in clean water and wring it well each time to avoid water seeping into the fresh grout. Step 10. Second cleaning pass, the haze removal. After the grout is fully dry, usually after 1 to 2 hours. A thin film called grout haze may appear. To remove it, use a clean, dry microfiber cloth or a haze remover specifically made for grout. Asterisk, this step enhances the shine and finish of your wall tiles. Asterisk, optional tool. Grout haze remover liquid. pH neutral. Asterisk, step 11. Inspecting and patching grout lines. Asterisk, inspect all the grout joints closely. Are there any tiny holes, cracks, or areas where grout settled deeply? Reapply a small amount of grout to those areas and rate tool them carefully. Asterisk, attention to detail at this stage separates amateurs from experts. Asterisk, step 12. Sealing. The grout optional, but recommended. Asterisk, if your grout is cement-based. Sealing it after full curing for 8-7 hours is highly recommended. Sealing protects against mold, mildew, and staining, especially in humid areas like bathrooms. Asterisk, use a grout sealer with a brush tip bottle for precision. Avoid sealing over tiles unless they are unglazed and porous. Asterisk, step 13. Final. Polish. Asterisk, once sealing is complete and dry, give your tiled wall a final polish using a soft, clean microfiber cloth. This will bring out the luster of the tiles and make your grout lines look professionally finished. Asterisk, extra tips for a long-lasting finish. Asterisk, always use a grout color that complements your tile. Light grout for white tiles, gray for neutral tones, and dark grout for bold accents. Asterisk, avoid using harsh cleaners on grout for the first few weeks. Let it cure properly. Asterisk, regularly clean your tiles and grout with pH neutral tile cleaner to preserve appearance. Asterisk, common mistakes to avoid. Asterisk, applying grout too early before adhesive dries. Asterisk, using too much water when cleaning the joints. Asterisk, skipping the sealing step. Asterisk, rushing the wiping process, which can ruin lines. Asterisk, final thoughts. Asterisk, mastering wall tile grouting in a bathroom is not just about spreading material between joints. It's an art of precision, timing, and care. A well-executed grout job elevates the beauty of the tiles, enhances waterproofing, and gives a long-lasting professional finish. Asterisk, by following these detailed instructions and incorporating all the expert tips mentioned across this full guide, you'll confidently tackle any bathroom wall grouting job with flawless results. Asterisk. Once the grout has sufficiently set in the joints, the focus shifts toward ensuring the surface is impeccably clean, polished, and ready for long-term performance. Cleaning wall tile grout correctly is not merely a cosmetic procedure, it directly affects the grout's longevity and the final appearance of your bathroom. Let's break this process down to its most professional details. Asterisk, begin by lightly moistening a clean sponge, preferably a large, soft one with rounded corners to avoid pulling grout from the joints. Wipe diagonally across the tile surfaces to remove the initial grout haze. This technique minimizes the chance of dragging grout out of the lines. Use gentle, overlapping strokes, rinsing the sponge frequently in a clean bucket of water. 2 buckets are best, one for rinsing the dirty sponge and another for clean water used in the final pass. Asterisk, after the initial cleaning, allow the grout to cure further, usually 30 to 60 minutes depending on the product and ambient humidity. Then proceed to remove any remaining haze. This time, use a microfiber cloth or specialized grout haze remover. Don't rush this stage.